Welcome to this week's Family Health Minute. This week's Minute looks at how chiropractic adjustments may have the potential to benefit lung function in patients with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, who are older than 65 years. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, an estimated 12 million people in the United States have been diagnosed with COPD, and possibly 12 million more may have it without knowing it. COPD is commonly diagnosed after the age of 45 and is usually considered a disease of the elderly. A case series published in the Journal of Manipulative and Physiological Therapeutics reported evidence that spinal manipulative therapy may have the potential to benefit lung function in patients with COPD who are older than 65 years. Remember, your best source for everything health is your chiropractor. Make chiropractic a regular health habit for the whole family to ensure your spines and nervous systems are working the best they can. And that is this week's Family Health Minute.